How cute is my new mini sunset palette, which is featuring 5 brand new shades inspired by my best-selling sunset palette. Watch this video to see how I created a whole look using all 5 shades. The first shade that I'm going to use is Halo. It is a champagne nude metallic. I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of the lid and the brow bone. Then I'm going to use Guava for the transition in the crease. With Dirty Mars, I'm going to build the outer C. With Guava, I'm going to blend the outer C. With Dirty Mars, I'm going to connect the upper lid with the lower lash line. For the center lid, I'm going to use Sunbeam, which is a super metallic bronze shade. With Apollo, I'm going to complete the whole look by adding it to the lower lash line. This is a beautiful bright brick metallic eyeshadow.